Given that f of 6 plus x equals x, here is the bad way of solving this. We have f of input equals output. What we have here, we have it here. Input versus output. And some can say f of x is also equals 6 plus x. This is the bad way of solving this. Let's see how we solve this in the correct way. We have 6 plus x equals x. We are going to replace every single x here with x minus 6. We want to make sure we have only x here, and to change this to x, we replace every single n with x minus 6. Then we have f of 6 plus x minus 6 equals x minus 6. And x and 6 cancelled. We have f of x equals x minus 6. And this is the correct answer.